Hey guys, thanks for stopping by. Today I'm sharing with you a do-it-yourself hidden storage using a $1 book from the Dollar Tree. So here I have a book that was from the Dollar Tree. You want to have like a pretty thick size book. You could get one from the Dollar Tree or you might have one on hand. In that case, it would be free. So first thing you're going to want to do is use like a rubber band and go to at least the first or second chapter and add your rubber band to hold that in place. You're going to need a sharp knife like a utility knife or an X-Acto blade. First thing you want to do is use some type of ruler and just mark out a box shape. Once you have marked out your box, you can go ahead and start slicing through those pages right over each line that you mark. Being very careful while you're using this sharp knife. Then you're going to go ahead and just start ripping out the pages after you've sliced it little by little until you get the depth that you want. Also, stay tuned guys to the end. I have a product review for you and a giveaway. So once you get to the depth that you want, you're going to go ahead and use Mod Podge. And you're just going to Mod Podge these pages that are cut out, all inside of the opening where you cut out and all around the outside of the pages. Also, on the first two chapters that you have marked, you're going to go ahead and use, maybe I have paper around it, but you could use like aluminum foil. I just didn't have any at that time, just so that the glue doesn't get on those first pages. And you're just going to Mod Podge all around the book, and again inside of the openings that you went ahead and cut out. Then you'll let that dry overnight, and once it's dry, it'll be rock solid. So as you can see here, this is rock solid. It will not move, but it still looks like a normal book. This is a great way to kind of hide some safekeepings that you have where no one would find them. I hope you guys enjoyed this really easy DIY. If you did, go ahead and give me that thumbs up, leave a comment, and share this video. Also, remember to stay tuned for that product review and giveaway right after this. Okay, so for the product review, here I have this INNOGEAR Aromatherapy Essential Oil Diffuser. It has the wood grain. It's an ultrasonic cool mist with 7 color LED lights, and it also has an auto shut off. It goes for $27.99. I'm gonna go ahead and leave you guys the link if you're interested in purchasing this item, and also they'll be doing a giveaway. All the information for the giveaway will be in my description box. Go ahead and click on the description box and you'll have all the information for this. This item is so nice, you guys. I love the changing colors. It just sets the mood and the ambiance. And I went ahead and used the pineapple essential oil I put this on in my shop. I left for like 5 minutes, came back, and the entire shop smelled like pineapples. Also, you guys, the nails I have on, I'm going to leave you the link to Shina's nails. She has a YouTube and an Instagram. She made these nails for me, custom, and I absolutely love them.